Hello, I'm Douglas Panyares of Filipino Homes. Aldrich Townhouse, 2 stories, 51 units, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, backyard garden and a balcony, incorporated paved parking lot, fiber optic ready, designed to have more natural daylight. Lot area 60 to 98 square meters. Floor area 82.76 square meters. Eldridge Townhouse, 3 stories, 12 units. Lot area 51 to 70 square meters. Floor area 104.48 square meters. Why live and invest in Clarendon Residences? Ideal location, Hannibal Street, Don Bosco Village, Punta Princesa, Cebu City. 43 meters to Don Bosco Technological College. Half kilometer to Our Lady of Lourdes Church at Punta Princesa and Don Bosco Youth Center. Half kilometer to Don Vicente Rama Memorial School. 0.8 kilometer to Super Metro and Shopwise malls. 1 kilometer to Ace Medical Center, Cebu, Basak. 2 kilometer to USGR Basak Campus. Hurry, while this pre-selling price is at its lowest and the down payment is at its longest, 42 months. Contact Douglas F. Panyares. Phone 63915-842-6920 and email luxuryhomes.cebu.ph@gmail.com. Business chat with me. Thank you and God bless.